Today's multimedia apps need real-time, scalable and intelligent processing. Our RAPIDSEA GStreamer CUDANVCONV plugin brings GPU-accelerated multimedia to NVIDIA Jetson. Instead of chaining heavy elements, it handles brightness, contrast, saturation, and custom presets in a single plugin. In this video, we'll show you how to build and install it on your Jetson board. NVIDIA Jetson modules pair power-efficient ARM processors with advanced GPUs for low-latency video processing. Before we start, make sure your Jetson board is flashed with Jetpack 4.5 or higher. With our environment verified, we'll start by extracting the RAPIDSEA source archive. Once inside the project directory, running the merc command will compile the source, and make install will install our CUDANVCONV plugin into its respective system path. Verify the installation using gst-inspect. If the plugin has been installed correctly, GStreamer will display the plugin information, supported capabilities, and all available properties. Now the RAPIDSEA CUDANVCONV plugin is fully integrated and ready to run. In our next video, we'll build hardware pipeline to see this zero-copy acceleration in action. Thanks for watching. Download RAPIDSEA CUDANVCONV today.